20 years back. That was the best year for new technology invented in all sectors. The new inventions made life easy. In the year 1999, Modern Vending Machines LLC was established as one of the pioneers of vending services in UAE, serving close to 500,000 customers through their network of vending machines. Modern Vending. The equipment trading division of the company has established a robust distribution network for its vending machine brands in the GCC, with customers in UAE, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. We are providing food, snack, ice cream, and hot beverage machines. The company has also established the region's first vending machine showroom in the heart of Dubai, where you can understand more about products in detail and experience them firsthand. Customers are supplied with only the best equipment from around the world, backed with comprehensive training and expert on-site and off-site technical support. Today, the company has emerged as the leader in the industry, with a loyal and growing customer base. Top quality service, value for money, 24/7 service, regular restocking of vending machines, innovative. Modern Vending, convenience assured, technology delivered.